Okay, so this is going to be a real short tutorial for how you can print your own smartphone microscope holder. This is just looking at the 3D printing portion, and it's all based on designs shared in this publication in Nature Protocols. The link for this will be below the video. So even if you don't have access, I can get in here. I'm in incognito right now because I just get automatically allowed in through the university. However, even if you don't have a school account, the code is still available. So just scroll right down here to code availability and go ahead and open that GitHub link and then download it as a zip file. I've already downloaded it, but it's not too big a file. This includes the code that we discuss in the publication, as well as the 3D STL files, so you can print it yourself, and then also a couple example photos. For now, we're just going to be looking at this enclosure. This has the 3D printed files. So, microscope attachment. This is the main portion that you're going to put in your microscope attachment. Yeah, the one from Amazon. Then this is the lid, and this is the slide holder. So if you're going to be 3D printing this through a external party, then all you do is send them these files and then specify what type of filament you want to use. We just use PLA black. Color doesn't matter, except one of the points of this case is to eliminate ambient light sources, so I would recommend black. If you're printing this yourself though, then you just want to open up I use Cura to slice the files. So go ahead and drag them in. Now you can do this individually, you can do this all together. I am not a 3D printing pro. If it works, it works. So I'm just going to show you what I would do to get this thing all ready. Oops. So what I'm doing is I'm rotating the parts so that they are optimal for 3D printing. If I had printed this piece upside down, then there would have had to be so many supports, it would have taken forever and been a little messy. So this is just the name of the game. You don't have to do anything specific. Just whatever works for you. Okay, let's give this one a twist around. Okay, and then this one, this is a slide holder. I would recommend printing it in this orientation, vertical, with the open side facing upwards, because there is a gap in there where you slide the glass into, so this is the best. Okay, so once I have these all ready, you click slice. I have my SD card for the printer inputted into the computer right now, so this would take 17 hours 8 minutes. That does vary depending on the printer and the settings you're using, but it's a good estimate. 130 grams. And then I would just go ahead and save to file, which I have already done. Yeah, just save to the SD card, plug it into your 3D printer, and then do normal setup and printing. You should be good to go.